Hi, welcome to Weapon Modeling and Texturing for Game Complete Pipeline course. In this course, you will be learning creating a game weapon from scratch step by step. Do you want to learn the full pipeline of creating a weapon for game? If so, then this is the perfect course for you. My name is Nalin. I am a 3D modeling and texturing artist come educator. I have been teaching since 2008 at various institutions such as ZICA, Reliance Education and Arena Animation. I have also worked as a character modeling and texturing artist at Lakshya Digital and Dhruva Interactive. Learning weapon modeling and texturing is a necessary step towards becoming a props artist for game and films. By the end of this course, you will be able to create weapons for games and films. So let's see how the course is designed and what's there inside for you. There will be 8 modules. In the first module, I'll introduce you with the course. The second module, Maya Basics for Absolute Beginners, will cover some Maya basics, and this is for absolute Maya beginner students who has never touched Maya before. Then in the third module, Modeling the X base mesh in Maya, you will be learning Maya modeling to model the X base mesh inside Maya. Here you are going to learn few Maya modeling tools and techniques to model the base mesh. In the fourth module, Detailing the X in ZBrush, we are going to start with ZBrush Basic, and then I will be sculpting the X. You are going to learn how to sculpt metals, adding scratches, and then you will be learning how to add the wood textures on the handle and finally the fabric wrinkles. The fifth module, Retopo the X in Maya, you will be learning how to retopolize the high poly model inside Maya using the Quadro tool. And I'm going to show you my personal ways to do the low poly by using some other tools as well, like the Conform tool. Sixth module is UV unwrapping in Maya. In this module, I'll teach you how to unwrap UVs using powerful Maya UV editor and its toolset. In the seventh module, Texturing in Substance Painter, I'll start with Substance Painter Basic, and then we are going to texture the X. So I'll start with baking various maps such as normal map, ambient occlusion map, color ID map, and some other useful maps for texturing. I'll show you how to texture the metals and then the wood handle and the fabric, and how you can add some dots on top of everything. So finally, I'll show you how to render the final image for your portfolio using ID renderer in Substance Painter. And in the final module, I'm going to conclude and wrap up the course. I have designed this course for beginners level 3D modeling students who wants to learn the full pipeline of creating a game weapon but struggles with finding a proper course. There are no prior knowledge required for the course. Feel free to check out the course description and the course outline below to see everything that is included in this course. There is a 30 days money back guarantee, which means if you are not satisfied with the course, then you can refund it within 30 days. So literally there isn't any risk at all. So go ahead and click on the enroll button. This is Nalin. I thank you for enrolling to the course, and I'll see you in the first lecture.